It's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz GL Class. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, command integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, Parktronic with active parking assist, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and twin turbo V8 engine. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.